Controversy is brewing over the rehabilitation of heritage site Devon House.
The new design has not found favor with some Jamaicans who are concerned about the replacement of the green spaces in the courtyard with a brick surface.
Now, our reporter Sandy Williams visited the area today and filed this report.
What used to resemble a lush green space at the courtyard at Devon House is being transformed into a concrete jungle. According to the Tourism Enhancement Fund, the construction is part of rehabilitation works on the... Now, during the construction process, several trees were removed, Ponciana trees. Now, the agency says those trees were removed following a review from the Forest Department, which recommended its removal for public safety. The agency also said young lignin-blighted trees have been planted in its place.
I'm not a fan. From I saw the layout on Instagram, I already knew it was going to have its issues. There's no shade over here, there's no grass. I can't imagine how this place is going to look when it rains, considering there's nothing to absorb the extra water. The millions of drains they've put up cannot replace actual natural grass. And the fact that they have cut down the trees, I can't imagine how that has disturbed the ecosystem of this place.
Over the years, there have been concerns about the lack of green spaces in Jamaica. It's why the redesign of Devon House has sparked public outrage. But in a release today, the Tourism Enhancement Fund says several trees have been planted, including a bloomer hole, as well as a plants and shrubs. The agency says the area will appear lusher after the trees are allowed to mature and the vines begin to grow.
Looks more creative, it feels better, there's a better atmosphere, it's more comfortable sitting, as if you can sit around there and you feel more comfortable.
The release further notes that the general redesign aims at addressing several issues, including poor drainage, which led to flooding when it rained, uneven surfaces from tree roots, which pose a potential danger to patrons, reducing the challenges regarding movement of patrons within the area, as well as providing a space more accessible to people living with disabilities.
Reporting from Devon House in St. Andrew, I'm Sandy Williams for TVJ News.